How to set limit price when buying and selling of stocks. Whether you are using AfriInvest 2.0, Meritrade, Stanbic, Bamboo, UCAP, Senate Quantum, or any other reputable stockbroking firm in Nigeria, I expect you to know how to use the price limit to take advantage of the market. If, for instance, you find yourself in an informal market today and you were told a bag of rice is 60,000 naira, even if you have the money, I do not expect you to just pay 60,000. You negotiate with the seller. What about 55? What about 57? Either the seller agree or not. That same thing is applicable in the Nigerian stock market or any other stock market around the globe. A stock market is a specialized market where buying and selling of existing securities are taking place. When I say security, I actually mean investment that are being traded on the floor of the stock exchange. If you want to buy a stock today and you were told, let's say Owando, they say 45 naira, you can set your price limit. What about 42, 43? And don't forget, a stock cannot lose more than 10% in a day, and it can also gain more than 10% in a day. On another day, I will do the calculation of how you can get if the stock lost 10% in a day or gain 10% in a day. Now, let's use MTN as a case study of what happened in the Nigeria equity market yesterday. MTN share price opened with 520 naira 10 kobo. Look at it, opening price. Look at the lowest price. In the course of the trading, the stock can attain the lowest price. It can equally attain the highest price. The best bid price is the highest price the buyer is willing to pay. The best offer price, this is the lowest price the seller is willing to accept, and this is also the closing price. Today, the volume of the shares that exchanged among investors in the equity market for the MTN is 2.7 million units, while the value is 1.4 billion naira. Let's consider the volume and the price on the part of both buyers and sellers in the equity market yesterday. Here we have 480. We are starting under for the buyer, 480.1, 485, 497, 500 with respective units. We are starting from here also, 564.8, 560, 555, 500, 499.9. Do you know that from here today now, they can execute the price by you looking at this, because this is the highest in this place. So from here now, they're able to execute. But if you equally set 550, they will still sell it for you, because the stock market cannot do more than 10% gain in a day, and they cannot also do more than 10% loss in a day as far as Nigeria stock market is concerned. And that is why some people, they will be asking themselves, how come this guy Posolo is showing green the same day while some people show red? Because you must have bought higher price in the market. So this is why the price limit is very important. And when you are using price limit, you set good for 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, as the case may be, on your own platform. Because moment the price that you are buying does not matches anyone on behalf of the seller, that order will not be executed. Take note, when the opening price of security like this, the closing price of security, the highest price security are there during the trading period, the lowest price security are there during the trading period, when they are identical, it is regarded that dragonfly doji candlesticks in the technical analysis, which usually have a T-shape with a longer body. Look at T-shape with a longer body. Remember, what determines the price of the security or stocks in the secondary market is the forces of demand and supply. Help me like, share, and comment on this video. Thank you. God bless you.